side of the road, genius. Folks, it's best to stay away from the yellow line. I know you can't tell a Harley guy to get off the yellow line because their riding sucks, but they're the worst offenders. And I know, before you flame me, that was an FJR. I know. But anytime you get behind a Harley, they got to park themselves right on the yellow line. It's bad enough they don't know how to ride the bike, but then they want to ride it right on top of the yellow line. That is a Mustang owner. Mustang owner from Iowa. Oh my gosh, they know what a pull-off is. Like dead, rotting trees. At least the roadway through here is clean again. That's a lot of damage it did. That's a big tree. It just sucks that, yeah, that's a lot of oak down there. It sucks that it's so hard to get up here and harvest it once it's fallen off the mountain. Even somebody that just wants firewood. It's just too difficult to get it up the side of the mountain. And there's nowhere to do it. Not like you do it on the side of the road. There is no side of the road. Yay! 129 photos. Yay! I'm seeing a lot of Z cars today. I've been kicking around getting a Ducati Hyper. I don't know. It's kind of a hard decision. What if I get it and I hate it? I like to spend a lot of time in the saddle. And even the wider seats for that bike look narrow. this has been another good Friday. No traffic on the Gap. It was dry. It's only 11:20. What a great day for a motorcycle ride. And if I haven't told you before, welcome to North Carolina. If y'all are in my neighborhood, look me up. Drop me a line down below in the comments. Shoot me an email. My email address is pretty easy to remember. Mikey@ridewnc.com, just like my username that you're looking at right now. If you need motorcycle tires, send them to me. I'll put them on. I get $25 if you bring me the wheels. I get $100 if I have to take both your wheels off the bike. It's pretty good. Most shops charge $100 just to take one wheel off the bike. I'm here for you in Western North Carolina. Thanks for watching. See you on the flip side. We're at the Deals Gap store. There's nobody here. There are no locals here. None. All right, I'm out.